Unscrew the keyboard bezel. Lift keyboard bezel. Remove keyboard. Remove the cover plate under the keyboard. Disconnect antennas from board. Unscrew hinge covers. Unscrew the back screws for the hinge covers. Lift hinge cover. Remove the antenna covers. Unscrew the top cover of the Toughbook. Unscrew the big screw securing the hinges. That is how you remove the hinges from your Panasonic Toughbook CF-29.
Thanks for watching today. For more repair videos, click the link below. And remember, if you have a screwdriver, you can fix a computer.